Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 8, leçon X. So in this lesson, we'll discover together some verbs that are constructed with the preposition contre. Okay, so we'll try to see, as usual, the translation and the way to pronounce them correctly. To act against, agir contre. Agir, contre, agir contre. To bark, to yell at, aboyer contre, aboyer contre, aboyer contre. To be against, to disagree with, être contre, être, contre, être contre. To be mad, angry at, être en colère contre, être en colère contre, être en colère contre. To cuddle next to, se blottir contre, se blottir contre, se blottir contre. To exchange for, échanger contre, échanger contre, échanger contre. To fight against, se battre contre, se battre contre, se battre contre. To get angry at, se fâcher contre, se fâcher contre, se fâcher contre. To give in exchange for, donner contre, donner contre, donner contre. To go against, aller contre, aller contre, aller contre. To lean against, s'appuyer contre, s'appuyer contre, s'appuyer contre. To protest against, manifester contre, manifester contre, manifester contre. To side against, prendre parti contre, prendre parti contre, prendre parti contre. To stand, to lean against, s'adosser contre, s'adosser contre, s'adosser contre. To stumble, bang against, se heurter contre, se heurter contre, se heurter contre. To swap for, troquer contre, troquer contre, troquer contre. To take shelter against, s'abriter contre, s'abriter contre, s'abriter contre. To unite against, s'unir contre, s'unir contre, s'unir contre. To vote against, voter contre, voter contre, voter contre. So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is French for Me frenchforyou.net. Okay, and then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me. And so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.